My name is Peter Detjen. I'm a VP of Innovation Programs with Safran Group. Safran is a company which dates back to 1896 and has been diversified in the activities a lot in the recent 125 years. So today Safran is actually active in 5 different fields, which is space, defense, aircraft propulsion, aircraft equipment and aircraft interiors. Within aircraft interiors, which is mainly the area for the Crystal Cabin Award, we have aircraft seating, we have in-flight entertainment and connectivity, and cabin interiors, which is actually lavatories, galleys, waterways systems, as well as business jet interiors. Our goal is to design solutions so powerful, so revolutionary, that they redefine the industry. As an innovative company, Safran values and prioritizes advancement in cabin design and technology. The Crystal Cabin Award recognizes excellence and innovation in the aircraft cabin industry, and Safran believes that supporting the CCA awards aligns perfectly with our commitment to push boundaries and innovation in our products and in the services for the cabin interiors. The fact that Safran won the award already 15 times in the past, and Safran is once again recognized in 4 different categories as finalists this year, reflects our commitment to innovation and excellence in aircraft interiors designs, highlighting our leadership in interiors in the industry. Into our minds, when we hear the word Crystal Cabin Award, comes innovation, comes collaboration and international recognition.